Have you ever wondered how yoga and Hinduism first came to America? Well, this is an invitation to come and watch a film that I have made called America's First Guru that tells the story of Swami Vivekananda, the man who brought yoga and Hinduism and Vedanta to America in 1893. He spoke at the Parliament of Religions in Chicago, the first ever integrated Parliament of Religions. And during the conference, he stood up and said, "Heirs of immortal bliss," he said. What does that mean? What he meant was that we come from one divine spark, what we call in Hinduism Brahman. And that one spark is in every single human being, every single animal, every single plant has this spark of the divine. So come and learn about the 4 yogas, learn about Vedanta, and learn how to be free in the world today and to realize that divine spark inside you. Sri Matre Namaha.